Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a react episode. This is my first reaction episode and we are doing SMG for the weird ticking sound. Now before I begin, I have gotten a little more used to editing. So you will be seeing a little more edited. Well, slightly. Right, 3, 2, 1, go. So this is like a parody of the mysterious ticking noise from the Potter Puppet Pals.
What is that weird ticking sound? It's not over here, over there. It is kind of catchy, actually. 4, SMG 4.
I don't know, I haven't seen it. I just started saying
SMG 4.
Mario!
What?
SMG 4.
Let me guess, he's gonna be naked now.
4.
SMG 4.
Mario!
SMG 4.
Yay!
SMG 4.
Luigi! Pizza!
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 SMG
Pizza! Pizza! Come on! Where's pizza?
Mario!
Yay! I knew it!
Mario! Waluigi! Singing a song
What's that, Luigi?
all day long on you!
Wait, what?
I found the source of the ticking. It's a toaster. Yay!
Holy shit! Wow, that got dark quickly.
Bowser, oh, Bowser.
What? That was weird, and it was okay. It wasn't the best. Tell you what, I'll react to it a little more since that one was quite short. So let's do Casino Cards and Chaos. Of course it's SMG4. Troll Mario. Alright, Mario's home. Mario! Super Spaghetti Dispenser Machine is really magical.
Can I have it? No. Okie dokie. Here we go! Mario!
Mario, don't do it.
Mail, motherfucker. You got mail.
Ducky! Yeah!
You got mail.
Yippee!
Oh, you're so good.
Mamma mia!
Hey, I made this and I haven't even gotten paid yet. Uh-oh.
You can have
Luigi!
No, I don't want your Italian wife. I want your money. Unless you don't have the money. What? We got the money. Just give us time. Fine, you have till tonight or else. We're having Italian.
Mia! Hey Luigi!
Well, any ideas, Luigi? We'll dance for coins.
No!
Luigi, we need a faster way to get coins. And there's only one legal way, huh? The casino. Really? That's the most legal thing you can come up with.
Wow!
He got that flag. May we enter? Oh my god! It looks like my grandma! So I heard some. Oh, that was gambling.
open up the line. Jesus.
Wow, he's gambling. Sir, do you even know how to play? Pretty much, no.
Oh, yeah!
Then please hurry up and place your chips. Of course he doesn't know how to play.
Mario! Mamma mia! Luigi!
Luigi, I just remembered that I don't know any rules to gambling. Then why did you even suggest
Hey,
going in?
Stinky!
Hey, I just wanted to look cool when we came in. Look, I'll just teach you all the rules. Scroll that, we do it all the time, Luigi. Wow. casino machine. Oh, this looks easy. This looks easy. Coin Mario and Toast. Try again.
Mamma mia!
He got a piece of toast. The toast guy. Mario. Winner. He got a Mario.
What the hell is that? Why the hell is that?
Markiplier.
Alright! Yes! Princess! Okie dokie. Get ready to move.
Oh God.
your things. La la la!
Princess, run away. Or self-destruct. Maybe just one more.
Come on!
Fingers. I knew I'd get Rick Roll. Not really. He's good. Steve. Hey guys. I think that's his catchphrase. Okay, place your bets.
I hope she made lots of spaghetti.
Spaghetti. I hope she made lots of spaghetti. Oh, okay, Mario, just bet spaghetti. Alright, place your cards.
Take these.
Pokemon cards, really? Looks like Toad wins. He wins spaghetti coins and oh, crap, stole my money. Why do I use spaghetti? I'm better than crap. Oh, spaghetti. Princess Peach. Bank account. Good thing, guy. I'm spaghetti.
Let's go.
Vegetable crab!
Take that.
Looks like Toad is the best hand again.
He's coming straight from the underground. Yo, nigga.
Luigi.
You really suck at all these games. What makes you say that?
I
lost all of our money and nothing came. This means I don't have any other choice. My cancel curse, I keep winning any casino game. Which is why you haven't seen me play.
Shut the fuck up!
We need the money, Luigi, if you don't want our box on. Also, go away till it's face later on it. 25, please. Go easy. Alrighty, show me your card. Luigi wins 4.
This is bullshit!
Oh, lucky 7 again. Luigi wins again. What? That's the 20th time in a row. Methinks something fishy. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna get a drink. Well, Punk thinks he can just keep going. Well, he's got another thing coming.
Winner.
Blue, can I have a cup of delicious lava?
Oh yeah. Luigi. Luigi.
Luigi, come on, we're gonna close the pain and go. Okay, continue.
Luigi.
Oh crap,
Mamma mia!
I need you to make monies. Oh
Mamma
crap, what
mia.
do I do? This is weird. The scorpion. Italian probably, why not? Ah, yeah. The screen from, Sunday Cubbies. What? What's the video? The dealer. Super Mario Fun Card Battle. Whatever. Shut up. I'm not pausing this video. Okay, dokie. Roll the dice when you're ready. Oh, Snake Eyes, you summon a monster crab. Really? Get 4 cards for seniors.
What the fuck was that? Say, man, sorry, time's up. You're dead.
Luigi, the winner.
Luigi
Let's
wins by
go.
doing absolutely nothing, like he usually does in Mario Kart. Luigi won 15 billion coins.
Get that motherfucker.
Toast, toast, toast. Toast. Ah, so that's where you can see. Brain guts, brain guts, brain guts, I knew it. I knew it. Damn it, I gotta do everything around here. Come out, wherever you are. No. I got you.
Hey, Stinky.
Oh yeah, I forgot about him.
What? Hey.
This is the
Surprise, motherfucker.
Wow! Oh, Luigi's turned Super Saiyan. Luigi's turned Super Saiyan. Luigi, quickly, turn Super Saiyan. Super God form Super Saiyan. What's going on? Oh, you take your seat down. Now, where's my money?
Here we go.
Yes, woohoo! Enjoyed the spaghetti machine. Probably doesn't work. What happened these past 9 minutes? We got to make free spaghetti now. And it doesn't work. Ha! I knew it! So, if you guys enjoyed it, please subscribe for more daily videos. Or weekly, I don't know. Yeah, weekly videos probably. And I will see you next time. Goodbye.